Darkness, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping, and the vision was landed in the rain, still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stared by the flash of a neon light that split midnight and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without thinking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared, and no one died to disturb the sound of silence. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words out of my teacher. Take my oath that I will reach you. But my words, I'm silent, raindrops of silence.